Meaning of immune system.
Immune system.
Immune system.
Immune system.
Immune system. The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from infectious agents, such as viruses, bacteria, and fungi. It also plays a role in identifying and destroying abnormal or cancerous cells. The immune system's main function is to distinguish between self and non-self molecules and to mount an appropriate defense against invaders. The immune system is constantly evolving to adapt to new threats and to provide long-term protection through the production of memory cells. A properly functioning immune system is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being.